HMS Gloucester was a 50-gun, third-rate, Speaker-class frigate, originally built for the Navy of the Commonwealth of England during the 1650s and taken over by the Royal Navy after the restoration of the monarchy in 1660. The ship participated in multiple battles during the Anglo-Spanish War and the Second and Third Anglo-Dutch Wars. Gloucester was wrecked in 1682 on a sandbar off Norfolk while carrying the Duke of York. The wreck was rediscovered in 2007, although the discovery was only made public in 2022, the delay being to allow protected investigation of the site, which is in international waters. Gloucester had a length at the gundeck of 117 feet, a beam of 34 feet 10 inches, and a depth of hold of 13 feet 6 inches. The ship's tonnage was 755 94 tons burthen. Originally built for 50 guns, in 1667 she carried 57 guns. This was raised to 60 guns in 1677. The ship had a crew of 340 officers and ratings. Gloucester was the first ship in the Navy to be named after this port city. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.